Hi guys, welcome back. So today I will be making something simple yet incredibly satisfying, easy homemade bread. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a quick bread recipe, then this recipe is for you. So let's dive right in. Okay, so these are all the ingredients I'll be using. I have some butter, salt. I also have some sugar, active dry yeast. I have warm water, bread flour, and lastly, powdered milk. Okay, I've listed all the measurements and the ingredients in the description box, so kindly check it out. Okay, so to dissolve the yeast, you will need warm water, which you have to make sure it is not hot, okay, or else it will kill the yeast. You want it to be warm enough that when you insert your clean finger into the water, it won't burn you, okay? So the temperature of the water should be around 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? So once I'm okay with the temperature, I'll go ahead to add in my yeast. Next is to add in a teaspoon of sugar. This will help the yeast to activate faster. So we'll give it a quick stir, then let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And guys, this step is very important. That will make sure your bread rises properly, okay? So after 5 minutes, if you don't see any foaming, that means your yeast is dead, so you have to start all over, okay? 10 minutes later, our yeast has bloomed beautifully. So what I'll do next is to add in the other ingredients, okay? So we'll add in the flour, the powdered milk, sugar, and the salt, okay? The only thing I won't be adding now is the butter, okay? So I'm going to take it to my stand mixer with the dough hook attachment, okay? And guys, if you don't have the stand mixer, that is totally fine, okay? You can use your hands, but I prefer to use the hand mixer because it really makes the process easier and faster. So if you plan on making homemade bread all the time, I will recommend you invest in one, okay? I'll continue to mix it for about 2 minutes on the lowest speed until the dough comes together. Then I will increase the speed and knead it for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so you notice that our dough is looking a bit dry, okay? But once the butter goes in, it will give the dough a proper stretch and also improve the gluten structure in the bread, okay? So at this point, we'll go in with the butter and continue to knead. Guys, at this point, if you notice that your dough is too sticky or soft, feel free to add more flour, okay? And also make sure your butter is at room temperature before adding it to the dough, okay? We'll continue to knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes. So once our dough is completely kneaded, we'll go ahead to add in just about a tablespoon of oil. We'll cover the dough with a plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel. Then we'll go ahead to place it in a warm place for an hour so that the dough can double in size. Normally I place it in my 10-off oven, but if you are in a haste to bake your bread, you can totally skip this step, okay? You can just go ahead to shape your dough and place it in the pan, okay? So what the first wrap rice does is that it makes the bread more stretchy and have a better flavor. Okay, so I will go for that. Okay, after about an hour, our dough has doubled in size. We'll go ahead to divide it into my preferred size. Okay, yes, so I'm just eyeballing it. But if you want the same size, you can put it on your scale, then take that measurement. Okay. To shape the dough, we'll go ahead to flatten it down, then roll it like this. Okay, so once that is done, we'll go ahead to pinch the edge of the dough to close it. After, we'll go ahead to transfer the dough into a prepared pan. Once that is done, we'll cover it and let it double inside for the second time. This should take about 50 minutes. 15 minutes later, our dough has doubled in size, so we'll go ahead to pop it into the oven and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Our bread is done. We'll go ahead to take it out and remove it from the pan. I'm going to allow it to cool. Okay, then we'll come back and slice it. And guys, this bread came out so perfect and my family couldn't get enough of it. Okay, so let me know if you're gonna try this recipe, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to join this amazing family. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.